close to the watch area.
Tornado watch.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 34 has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Missouri, Christian, Lawrence, Stone, and Taney.
Oh my God.
Now here is the hazard.